If your engine is shaking at idle or losing power when you try to merge onto the highway, you might be facing a serious issue with a P02B0 code, which points directly to a restriction in the fuel injector for cylinder number 6. This is a generic powertrain code that you will find on many modern vehicles like the Ford Transit or a Mitsubishi, and even high-end cars like a Land Rover or a Subaru. Your fuel injectors are precision instruments that have to spray an exact mist of fuel into the combustion chamber at incredibly high pressures, and even a tiny bit of dirt can throw that whole pattern off. When the injector for cylinder 6 gets clogged or restricted, the powertrain control module detects a lean condition because there is too much air and not enough gas in that specific cylinder. The computer uses data from the oxygen sensors and the crankshaft position sensor to pinpoint exactly which cylinder is at fault. You will notice symptoms like a rough idle, decreased engine performance, and a noticeable drop in your miles per gallon. You might even hear the engine misfiring or see other codes for a lean exhaust. This is considered a severe code because running a cylinder too lean creates a lot of extra heat, which can eventually melt a piston or burn an exhaust valve, leading to a total engine failure. The most common causes are a defective or dirty fuel injector or a problem with the wiring circuit that sends the pulse to the injector. Sometimes a failing mass airflow sensor or a bad oxygen sensor can also trick the computer into thinking there is a restriction. To troubleshoot this, you should start by doing a visual inspection of the fuel rail area near cylinder 6, looking for any signs of fuel leaks or external corrosion on the injector. Using an automotive stethoscope is a great trick because you should hear a steady clicking sound from the injector while the engine is running, and if it sounds muffled or silent, that is a huge clue. You can also use a digital multimeter to check for a steady ground pulse from the computer. If the wiring is good, you might try a high-quality fuel system cleaner, but often a restricted injector needs to be removed and professionally cleaned or replaced entirely. Since you are dealing with high-pressure fuel lines and the risk of a fire or serious engine damage, it is a very good idea to have a certified master technician handle this repair if you are not experienced with fuel system diagnostics, so you can get your car back to running smoothly and safely.